This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and Tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is May 30th, 2019. This one here, I got a call for... Lady's got an issue with a toilet. She don't know if she needs to replace the whole thing or if I can fix it. So I told her, let me go by and look at it. If it's something simple, I can fix it. If it's a major thing, a lot of times I'll change them if it's an older toilet. But I gotta go look at it anyway. Even if I'm gonna change it, I gotta take measurements of it. And, well, she says it's an older one. Try to get you some shots if I can. This Molly is working again, y'all. Oh yeah, you love kisses. You love kisses. Oh yeah, you love kisses. You love kisses. You want kisses? Oh, I know you. Yeah, you love kisses. You love kisses.
Turn right on State Road. In 1 mile, turn left on Falls.
Guarantee that flap is like all worn out. I'll put a new flapper in it. I mean, unless you want to spend the money on a toilet.
Well, I just said I don't want to spend it on a water bill again.
Right. Well, let me take it out and I'll show you what I mean.
Okay. Actually, between that one and downstairs, it probably could be both causing that.
Well, look at it. It's all just...
Yeah.
See how it's all...
I think we need another one too downstairs because
I mean, the thing's just... Let me put a new flapper in it and we'll see if it seals.
Okay.
And I think it's an American Standard one. Cola. It's a Cola flapper. Really bad, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And we'll check the one out downstairs too.
Yeah, because I think that one needs a... You want a towel?
No, I'm good with this because I can just flush this. Flush it. Try to keep my hands clean the best I can, you know?
I know.
Alright, let's look at the other one downstairs quick.
Okay, because I flushed it, we had to like go in and put the flapper down.
Yeah, this one might need to be replaced. If this one's leaking by, I mean, this thing's an old Elja. That's really old. We'll let it fill and we'll see if it leaks by. I wouldn't replace it unless it's leaking. I mean, unless you have to.
We're having problems where it wasn't going down. We'd have to lift up the top.
Well, I could replace this one if you want. I mean, this one is just some old stuff here.
Because what would happen was the flap wouldn't go down, so we'd have to lift the top up and put the flap down every time we flush the toilet.
Yeah, it's a 12-inch rough. Is it doing it now, or?
No, it hasn't been doing it now, but it was doing it. And then sometimes I would just like bang on it for it to go down.
Yeah, usually you can tell if the toilet's leaking. You look in here and you'll see it streaming. Like, you know,
yeah.
You'll be able to see it coming down. But that don't look like that one's leaking.
What do you think upstairs was?
That one upstairs for sure, guaranteed. Yeah, that's what's happening. It's sticking.
And then you hear it, I get every night and I hear it, and I'm like,
I moved it over a little bit. I'll show you what I did. This thing's just kind of stuck on there, and this was hitting on the side there. So now it's not hitting anymore. See how it's going back and forth? This fills up with water, then drains, and then stops. But they had it right against the thing here. So that should be better now. Let's see. We'll let it fill. I'll get the one up for upstairs and we'll check this out.
Okay.
Then this one's going to be alright. Alright, it's an old Standard. It's an old lady. I mean, that's what they call a cola flapper there. So it's an old standard toilet. We'll try changing it out using this and see if it works. Might have to put a different type of flapper in there. See, that one's not sealing so well. I'll put a different one in there. And put a different style. Now, it seems like it's leaking by a little bit. Not too bad. I could always change it, put a different flapper in there if I have to. I got another one here. I usually have pretty good luck with these blue ones. All standard. That's what was in there. An old coal flapper. Might fill again, let's see. Oh, she's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. I don't want to sell the lady a new toilet unless she needs it, you know. Give it a minute and see if it stops. Look at all the old floaties. Looks like the old stuff's just floating around in there. Yeah, I don't want to sell the lady a toilet unless she needs it, you know. Toilet, I mean, you get a little leakage out of them. You never get 100%. It looks fine. I don't see it leaking. That's good enough for this neighborhood. I did tighten the tank up. Thing was loose. The bolts on the bottom are loose. I tightened them by hand, the wing nuts. That's fine. That's an old toilet. That's an old shitter. Back when Moby Dick was a minnow. That was put in. Yeah, plus I was able to spin that thing. It should be fine. It's fine now. They tip up. It'll drain out. And it should tip. It was hitting along the side here before. Old Elja. Fine now. What cat piss down here now? Flipping lights. See that little black thing in the middle? The water's running, that thing will spin. See that little black pyramid thing? So obviously you can see it's not spinning now. Well, there it goes. Just spun one turn. She might have used the water upstairs in the kitchen. But if that thing was spinning slowly, we know we got a leaker. That little diamond thing. So it should be fine now. Hey, what's going on there, Miss Molly? Huh? Push on over. You got the tail going. You missed Daddy. You missed me. I know you missed me. I know you missed me. You missed me. Oh, I know, yeah, you missed me. I know it.